am discussing the last question of exercise 7.1. Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine of the edges 5 centimeter, the breadth is 2 centimeter and the height is 5 centimeter. I have made the box like this, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Now how many cuboids will be needed to form a cube? If we consider this question to be a simple question, then the factorization of the volume of this cuboid is equal to how much? L into B into H, and that means it is 5 into 2 into 5. So now if I want to make this is centimeter cube. अब हम क्या चाहते हैं? What we want is that this should be a cube. Now if I want to make it a perfect cube, to make it a perfect cube, हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? हमें इसको ट्रिपलेट्स को कंप्लीट करना पड़ेगा. सो व्हाट शुड आई डू? आई नीड 1 5 एंड 2 2s. 2 5s ऑलरेडी है, एक और 5 आ जाएगा तो ट्रिपलेट बन जाएगा. एक 2 ऑलरेडी है, 2 और 2 मिल जाएंगे तो ट्रिपलेट बन जाएगा. दैट मीन्स आई नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई, टू मेक इट अ परफेक्ट क्यूब आई नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाय 5 इंटू 2 इंटू 2, जो कम है. 2 5 है, एक 5 ले लिया, एक 2 है, 2 2 ले लिया, एंड दैट मीन्स आई नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इज 4 5s are 20. So now when I multiply the volume of resulting cube, because they were saying that the resulting will be cube, and we know that it is a cube because 5 into 2 into 5 multiply by 5 into 2 into 2. So now you can check that the triplet is complete. 2 का भी ट्रिपलेट कंप्लीट है और 5 का भी ट्रिपलेट कंप्लीट है. सो इट विल बी अ क्यूब नाउ, एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब विल बी 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 into 8, and that means 1000 centimeter cube. And you can very well find out from this number that it is a cubic number, because इसका क्यूब रूट क्या होता है? 10 centimeter होता है. So volume of the cube now becomes 1000 centimeter cube. Right, and if we wish to understand this question logically, this is the mathematical form. So now if I wish to ask you how many cuboids are needed, so what will be the answer? Number of cuboids. Number of cuboids will be equal to volume of cube upon volume of cuboid. So what is the volume of cube? Volume of cube is 1000 upon volume of cuboid is 5 into 5 into 2. सो 5 से हम इसको कैंसिल करेंगे 200, 5 से हम फिर से इसको कैंसिल करेंगे 40, 2 से हम इसको कैंसिल करेंगे 20. सो कैन यू सी दैट दिस 20 इज़ कमिंग, विच इज़ द नंबर विच आई नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई. सो हाउ मैनी cuboids are required to complete this to make this cuboid a cube is 20. Let us understand this through a different activity. I have taken a cube here. The length of the cube is 2, the breadth is 1 and the height is 1. So if I go by the same method, then what should I write? Then I should write volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H, and that means what is L here? L is 2, breadth is 1 and height is 1. So I am writing 2 into 1 into 1. Right? Now that is the volume of cuboid. Now I wish to make it cube. तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? I need 2 more 2s and I need 1 more 1. So I need to multiply this with 2 more 2s and 1 more 1. That means I need to multiply by 4. So the volume of cube now becomes 4 multiplied by 2, that is 8. Right? So let us find out this answer through the activity. I have taken the cubes here. See my cubes. This is my cube, and this cube has length. How much is the length? The length is 2 units. The breadth is 2 unit. And what is the height of this cube? You can see the height of the cuboid is 1 unit. So length is 2, breadth is 2 and the height is 1 unit. Now what I want to make it a perfect cube. अभी ये क्या है, क्यूबॉइड है, बिकॉज इसकी लेंथ 2 है, ब्रेड्थ 1 है एंड हाइट 1 है. लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस वन मोर सच. अब देखो ये क्या बन गया है. नाउ दिस इज़ अ क्यूबॉइड अगेन. हाउ इज़ दिस अ क्यूबॉइड? इसकी लेंथ कितनी है, चेक करो. लेंथ इज़ 2, breadth is 2 and what is the height now? Height is 1. Check this. The length is 2, the breadth is 2 and the height is 1. So that means still it is not a cube. Okay, I add one more to this. Now what will happen? Still this is not a cuboid. You can see this is a very different object. थोड़ा कहीं से cube है, कहीं से cuboid है, mixture of all. Now let me add one more. Now see what happens. Is this a cuboid? देखो इसकी लेंथ कितनी है, लेंथ इज़ 2, ब्रेड्थ इज़ 2 एंड व्हाट इज़ द हाइट? द हाइट इज़ ऑल्सो 2. यू कैन चेक इट फ्रॉम एनीवेयर. लेंथ 2, ब्रेड्थ 2, हाइट 2. लेंथ 2, ब्रेड्थ 2, हाइट 2. सो नाउ दैट मीन्स दिस ऑब्जेक्ट हैज़ नाउ बिकम अ क्यूबॉइड. अब ये कैसे हुआ? बिकॉज आई हैव एडेड. नाउ सी हाउ मेनी क्यूब्स आर देयर, हाउ मेनी क्यूबॉइड्स आर देयर. देखो इनिशियली देयर वॉज वन क्यूबॉइड जिसकी लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ और हाइट क्या थी? द लेंथ वॉज 2, ब्रेड्थ वॉज 1 एंड हाइट वॉज 1. नाउ आई हैव एडेड वन मोर, देन आई एडेड वन मोर एंड देन आई एडेड वन मोर. सो फाइनली इट हैज़ बिकम अ क्यूब. So how will I come to know whether it has become a cube? Because I can check my figure that my figure is a cuboid. So now you can check this here that this is a cuboid. Now let us come back to the question. The question says that cuboid 2 1 by 1 का था, ठीक है. I need to multiply by 4. So the volume of my cuboid is 8. Now can any one of you see that the volume of cuboid is 8? How can I see? Because it has the length 2, the breadth is 2 and even the height is 2. So the volume of cuboid will be equal to 8. And you can check this also that how many cubes I have joined here. 1 2 3 4. 4 in the first row and 4 in the bottom row. That means how many cubes are there? So there are 8. And this is how I can come to know that what is the volume of the final cuboid. And if somebody asks you how many cuboids are needed in order to make this complete, कौन से वाले क्यूबॉइड्स? ये वाले क्यूबॉइड 2 बाई 1 बाई 1. हाउ मेनी सच क्यूबॉइड्स? 2 बाई 1 बाई 1 के कितने क्यूबॉइड्स लगेंगे टू मेक दिस अ क्यूब? लेट अस सी दिस. यू कैन सी दैट आई हैव 4 cuboids of 2 by 1 by 1. 2 1 1 and all the cuboids are of length 2, breadth 1 and height 1. And I can show you once again that joining all these cuboids I will get a cube. So if somebody asks you how many cuboids of this edge are required to make this a cube, तो हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? 8 divided by 2 will give you the number of cuboids. कितने number of cuboids हैं? 4 number of cuboids हैं. So 8 divided by 2 will give you the number of cuboids. Okay.